Hey gang, the last week during the power outage, I met another YouTube creator. I forget his name. I only ran across his video a couple of days ago after getting electricity back. I was looking at weather and problems people having here in California, and he's talking about, he was showing the trees had fallen and hit the house and he had to cut stuff up. Well, he came to Clear Lake apparently later that day to take his daddy home from the hospital here. I just happened to have gotten back to the hospital, right, and need to get home. Both taxis, no electricity, they're going to voicemail. Everyone going out in emergency, entrance going to the parking lot. You going out to the park, man? Hey man, you going out to the park? Can I get a ride? Finally, this guy said, yeah. So he gave me a ride home. It's the same guy, same face, same hat, same jacket. He had to do some serious four-wheeling and tree cutting and push off the road, with his bumper and jacking crap up, and to get from the other side of Healdsburg, Windsor, to Clear Lake to take his daddy home from the hospital. He gave me a ride home. That is an indication of the kind of people you can meet posting to YouTube. And I thank you, brother. You know who you are. You came to Clear Lake to take daddy home. I live just like 4 doors up from the other side of the street where grandma's house used to be. Yeah. Thank you again for the ride home, brother. Yeah. Thank you.